Hello and welcome to another quick update about oil. Oil is following my forecast. We are heading further down here. There was a chance that the market will create a wave 2 correction to the upside, but I think it's doing that actually, or it did that, but not a very strong one. So we saw that wave 2 here in my opinion, and we're now heading down in a wave 3. There will be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. We can also calculate a key target for that wave 3 in yellow. This is, by the way, the yellow count is part of the wave 5 in white. Wave 5 is a 5-wave move. As I said to you before, I mean, already when we were around $115, I think it was here in March at some point when I talked here about a 40 to 50% price drop for oil that I expected based on my Elliott wave analysis. Here everybody was getting super bullish, but I said, look, this is just a corrective wave pattern. A downtrend does not move in one straight line. There are always impulses, like here the wave A, even though this was actually not an impulse. But there's always impulses and corrections also in corrective waves or in any trend really. So nothing is moving in a straight line. And here, because everybody seems to be, or seemed at least, to be so bullish on oil, whenever we see a corrective move up here, people panic. But as I said before, any move that we've seen here to the upside was a corrective wave, and the impulse is heading down. Especially this strong move down at the moment is really important. Why? Because we dropped below a key support level. As you can see here, this $91 level that was providing support here before, and here middle of August has now been broken. And this is very important because now we're heading further down, and again we can calculate the target for that yellow wave 3 that you can see or understand when we could expect here the next target basically to be reached. So that would be at $75. So if this is a wave 3, we expect now a very strong move down. That already could take us into my area here, the green area. So this larger green area, which is actually between $42 and $77, is actually located between two main Fibonacci levels here, between the 78.6% and the 50% Fib level. And anywhere in here, I would expect the reversal to the upside. And if we look at the higher level trend, you can see that the move up that started in April or March 2020 all the way up into February 22, that was a wave 1 impulse. We're now coming down in a wave 2 correction. That's how we could calculate this green area, because it is an ideal level for a wave 2. Now we can specify that further probably in the next coming days, and afterwards I would expect a wave 3 up. So I'm very bullish on oil. It's just short term rather bearish, but medium term very bullish, because after the wave 2 is done, we should see a significant wave 3 to the upside. And I talked about that in this wave 3, well, we could expect prices all the way up to 180, maybe even $200, which is not a good time for anybody who heats with oil or anybody who's using oil in any, well, oil is everywhere. So it affects all of us basically, But here you can already see this can even push way above $200 depending on how low we come. If we come down all the way to $42, which I think is a bit too bearish, I don't think we come down that far. But even then we would be looking for a wave 3 actually as for a target at $250. Now that is quite a lot. We need to see then. We will be able to specify these targets further the further we progress. But overall the trend is further down, as I said. And I don't see any reason here to say that we're getting close to the end. I think there is quite a bit of a way to go still. The Elliott wave count would suggest that, as well, as we have really only done here in the last wave down, in this wave 5, the 1 and the 2, and we're now in the wave 3. There will be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. That could very well take us in the middle of this target area. Okay, and that's my update about oil. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.